Hi everyone, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This studio, I'm going to introduce you PowerPoint. We'll do an introduction to PowerPoint. So PowerPoint can be opened in different ways. You can come to your screen and you right click and you select new. Here on the desktop is the first way of opening it, and you come to new. You come to Microsoft PowerPoint. After putting it, you can name it. Let's name ours Ruth. So after, press enter. So this is, and you open it to open automatically. Then another way of opening it is coming to the search bar here. Come to the search bar and you type PowerPoint. It will come exactly here, Microsoft PowerPoint, and it will open in that way, giving you templates, a blank page. We go to the last where it's coming to the start menu. So you come and say PowerPoint is here already. So it will open up in this way. So here we have the blank presentation. We have other things. Can even see more. Those ones you can choose and start with any. But let's start from the blank page. Here in PowerPoint we do with slides. What you see here is what they call a slide. This slide is one. So this one which has words. Click to add title, click to add it. But here you click and add your title. So what am I going to talk to? And in this one, you write the name of the one who is going to present the information about the presenter, who is going to present the work. So let's see how do we put the slides in here. So we said this first one is the one for the slides. It's the one for this one. Click title and content. So this first one was done for the title. So this is, you can put here a title, say presentation, and you put what you're going to talk about, maybe transport, what and what and what. So here you can, if you want to add a new slide, come and add. You can add one over title and what. So let's see other types of slides. Here we have in the section, we talked about the title slide, title and content slide. Then here you see the section head. This one, the section head, you should only read the heading. Two contents. This one, you can be having two contents. Maybe I want to write about the means of transport, but I want to separate means of communication, and I want to separate them. On this side I have the traditional ones. Let me see the drums, and this side I have the one we're current. So let me see the phones. So that one. So we have, let's say, another slide. We have the comparison slide. This is where we use to compare two things. Let me say I'm comparing between modern communication and the ancient communication. So I'll talk, let me say I'm comparing between letters and today's communication. So the electro communication and letter communication. So here I'll write one side for this side and the other one for this. So this is used to compare two things when you want to compare two things. Then let's see. Most slides, you have the title only when you have to put only the title. So I want to put only here, let me say, I want a conclusion. I'm concluding my work. I just put conclusion. So that is it. And another one, we are saying content with caption. You can insert a blank one. You want it to be blank. We have ended. You can enter it with a blank page. So we have content with caption. You can, here you want to add a picture, your title is here, your work is here, and your caption will be inside, it will appear. So if I've made a mistake here and I want to delete a page, to delete, I'll come here and say, yeah, I'll cut it out. I don't need it. So if you don't need it, you remove it. So come back and say, let's say the layout. How will I want my slides to go? this is how the slides are laid out. That's what we have handled first and first and foremost. So here we come and say insert. You can insert a picture in your Word from the device. From there you insert that. So you can put a shape. This is where you can put your shape from. Choose a shape. You come and draw it. So that's how it will appear. And then when you come, you can design your work. Let's design your work here. It is better to design your work from master slide. When you go to slideshow, then it's like you're going to view. You go to view. When you view, you shall see slide master. When you put the slide master and put here the cursor, so you're going to edit from here everything you're editing from here. You want to write anything, so it will appear. So on everything, so you come here and say insert themes on this theme. So you see that's how it will appear on everything. When you want to search, let me see the background, insert on everything, every slide will appear. Then another thing, go insert here everything. So you can say this is how you see the transitions. This is how you put the transitions. Can put any you want, like that one, like that. So you have the animations. Can put any animation you want. That's how to appear. It appears in every slide. So after putting all of that, let's go back to home. Master slide. After doing this, go back to home. So conclude and go back to our work. So we are done with this. After doing all of that and editing your work, so it will look perfectly for presentation. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Let's meet in the next one. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.